Hi there, my name is Nikita Octavian and I want to show you my new add-on for Blender. A while back I bought a second-hand GPU in order to help me get faster renders, especially viewport renders, because I love seeing my renders in my viewport and it was kind of sluggish, as you can see in this scene I created of some peaches. Now, to my surprise, when using two GPUs for viewport rendering, at least in cycles, it does not speed up the render in viewport. As you can see here, the viewport is not sped up. This is a GTX 1060, by the way. The weird name is because this is a mining GPU, but it works for Blender. At least it works the same as the GTX 1060. And I have confirmed with others that viewport rendering works this way. Now the thing is that while using two GPUs, two different GPUs, one faster and the other one slower, does in fact slow your viewport render as opposed to using only the faster GPU. The final render is actually faster with using both GPUs. But the issue is that Blender does not allow us to choose a different set of devices for viewport rendering and a different set of devices for final rendering. This is where my add-on comes in. My add-on allows you to choose a different set, or I would recommend one GPU, your fastest GPU for viewport rendering, and a set of devices for final rendering. Probably all your GPUs. I'm not going to select my CPU, but my GPUs, now that I selected them, I can hit set devices. And while here, as you can see by the utilization in MSI Afterburner, it's only using my GTX 1070. When I render this, you can see it's using both of them. Sorry, my tile size is a bit small here. I should use a bigger tile size for GPU. But you can see it's using both the GPUs. Now, if I go back to the viewport render, it's using only the GPU I selected for my viewport render. Now, if you change, let's say from CUDA to optics, you're going to have to click refresh devices before you can use this. Otherwise, it won't really work. I'm probably going to work on my add-on and change this in the future so it automatically sets these without you having to click on refresh devices. But for now, at least for me, it's a very useful add-on. I use it myself, and it's nice that I don't have to keep going here and selecting. Sorry about the MS Afterburner overlay. I don't have to keep coming here and selecting different devices. So yeah, that's about it. I will probably also include some benchmarks between just one GPU and two GPUs, so you guys can see the difference in performance better, because right now it's not that obvious because the GTX 1060 and the 1070 are close in performance. The difference is not so obvious, but trust me, I measured it and it's there. It's slower with two GPUs on viewport rather than just one, just my 1070. So yeah, you can probably see here that it's a bit faster with just 1070. Anyway, hope you guys have fun using Blender. Hope you like my add-on. Hope you like my scene, my peaches here. And yeah, have fun and be productive. Bye.